And I have read out all the series of killings. There's more than 1,587 cases pending in the Supreme Court of India, and in the extrajudicial killing and the fact encounters and the rapes and everything and the extortion is being, and our news is not being published in the world. It's a purely totally manipulating. And even they are not following the charter of the Human Rights Charter. India government is not following the United Nations Human Rights Charter. Because when you calm down, when you see, your medias, the world medias reach to the state of Manipur, you'll feel something terrible. It's really 150 days blockade, national highways. And now they are talking with a peace talk with the armed groups. And they are suppressing, and we are going to be distinct from this whole world. And we raise our voice to the whole world that we are also, the peoples living in Manipur are also human beings. If the world is treating us as a human being, the whole world should respect our history. So we need support from all the humanity of the world.
Just wanted to make sure I understand correctly. You made this